Hey, tomato lovers, you won't believe what's happening inside this greenhouse today. Just look at these tomatoes. Big, firm, deep red, disease-free. And the craziest part, I didn't use any chemical fertilizer, just a natural trick passed down by an old farmer. And today, for the first time ever, I'm revealing it right here on Mkirikacha TV. Before we dive in, let me know in the comments where you're watching from, and if you've ever had trouble getting juicy tomatoes. And don't forget, like this video, hit subscribe and ring that bell because we drop tomato gold every week. So what's the secret? It's something so simple. You probably already have it in your kitchen. And no, it's not banana peel tea or Epsom salt. This one's alive. It boosts root strength, speeds up ripening, and brings out that rich tomato flavor we all crave. Stick around because I'll show you exactly how to make it. But first, let's talk why it works. You see, tomatoes aren't just heavy feeders, they're picky. They want a perfect balance of root energy, soil life, and good bacteria. So I give them a little natural helper that acts like a soil superhero. It wakes up the good microbes, feeds the roots, and strengthens the entire plant. Ready to unlock the secret? Here's what you'll need. 50 grams of fresh yeast, yes, baking yeast, 1 liter of lukewarm water, and 1 spoon of sugar, optional but it kicks things into action. Mix the yeast in the warm water, stir until smooth, add sugar, and let it sit for 2 hours. What happens next? The yeast wakes up, ferments, and transforms into a powerful root elixir. Once it's ready, dilute it into 5 liters of clean water. That's your magic mix. Now listen closely. Pour 1 liter per tomato plant, right at the base. For baby plants, go with half a liter. Do this every 2-3 weeks from transplant to harvest, and then stand back, because your tomatoes will explode with life. It's 100% natural, cheap, and it just works. Don't take my word for it. Test it and let me know your results. Comment below. Where are you watching from? Have you tried the yeast fertilizer hack before? Or is this your first time hearing about it? And please, share this video with another tomato grower. Let's spread the power of organic hacks across the world. And now, the Mkirikacha TV take-home message. When you feed the roots with life, the fruits return the favor. Don't chase size, chase soil health, and the size will come. See you in the next one. Until then, stay curious, stay green, and stay subscribed.